Hey everyone, the December 2025 Visa Bulletin is out, and yes, Indian applicants are seeing some forward movement. Let's break it down what it means for you. If you are new here, don't worry. The Visa Bulletin is issued monthly by the US Department of State. It shows priority date, which tells you where you are in line. The dates change based on demand and visa availability, and following them closely helps you plan smarter so you are never left waiting unnecessarily. Final action dates. What's moving? Let's start with EB1 final action date for India. It moved forward by 1 month and now is March 15th, 2022. Yep, just a month, but even small moves matter. For EB2, the final action date moved forward by 6 weeks and is now May 15th, 2013. For EB3, the final action date moved forward by 1 month and is now September 22, 2013. If your priority date is on or before these dates, you can file your I-485 application this month. Quick question, are you planning to file? Drop your priority date in the comments. We would love to see where everyone is. Dates for filing, why they matter. Here's something many people miss. USCIS allows Indian applicants to use the dates for filing chart this month. What does that mean? So if your priority date is on or before these filing dates, you can submit your I-485 application now and even start benefits like EAD or advanced payroll sooner. It's a way to get ahead of the line. Dates for filing December 2025. EB1A April 15th, 2023. For EB2 December 1, 2013. For EB3 August 15th, 2014. Even if these dates haven't changed, knowing which chart to follow is key to staying ahead. What this means for you. If you are tracking your priority date, here's what December Visa Bulletin means for your green card journey. EB1, especially EB1A, is still the fastest path to green card for Indian applicants. Much shorter wait times than EB2 or EB3. If trends continue, January could bring more forward movement. It's the start of a new fiscal quarter. Remember, small movements now can save years later, so don't overlook even a tiny shift. Policy updates shaking things up. Beyond green card backlogs, a few recent changes are affecting H-1B holders. Things like $100K H-1B fee, Project Firewall, which means 100 plus H-1B investigations underway. Number 3, removal of automatic EAD extensions. So, staying ahead is no longer optional. As a smart immigrant, you need to stay informed, stay prepared, and stay one step ahead. If you want plain English updates every day, subscribe to Smart Green Card. We break it down so you don't have to stress. Thinking about EB1A? If you are considering building your EB1A case yourself, check out the Ultimate Plan. Smart immigrants have already used it successfully. It's packed with 200 plus real EB1A approval insights, plus strategies from successful applicants, so you can plan smarter and avoid mistakes. Link in the description. Even small movements can now lead to bigger leaps later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, drop your priority date in comments. Let's see how close everyone is to filing this month. Thanks again. Peace out.